Hi. Welcome to xLR, your Excel learning resources. This video is from our 2-minute short series that focuses on quick video snippets covering basic Microsoft Excel functions. In this video, we will be covering the COUNTIF function, an extension of the count function. The COUNTIF function works just like the count function with an added capability to filter out results by providing conditions as arguments to the function. We will be using our dummy orders dataset from the fresh fruits section of our favorite supermarket for the demonstration of the COUNTIF function too. The COUNTIF function takes the count function a notch above, by allowing to provide arguments which can be supplied to filter out the data being counted. For this example, we will be using the COUNTIF and SUMIF functions to fill the data in a table we have created, to get some useful information for the store manager of our favorite supermarket. He wants to understand the sales volumes for fruits at different prices, so that he could use that information to stock up the fruits section with items he needs to get more stocks of, and try and make efforts to increase sales of items with low sales. The COUNTIF function allows two arguments. One would be the range, K4 to K23, to perform the count operation on. Second is the criteria, less than 1, which we want to use to filter out our results. Please do keep in mind that the count, COUNTIF, and COUNTIFs functions work on numbers only, so the range we provide should have numeric data for the functions to work properly. If it has mixed data, you need to be mindful of this fact. The COUNTIF function, along with its other counterparts, count, COUNTIFs and COUNTA, can come in pretty handy when working on large data sets that have hundreds of rows and columns containing numeric data. You can use the COUNTIF function in conjunction with other inbuilt Excel functions to pull out very useful information from heaps of data. Since with the COUNTIF and SUMIF functions, we cannot really get all the data filled in the entire table as easily as we could do with specialized COUNTIFs and SUMIFs functions, we will be leaving those rows empty for now. We hope this video helped you learn an Excel function. To improve your knowledge of Microsoft Excel, if you found this video useful, please like the video, comment and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of the new videos that we regularly upload to our channel. Also, please share this video with your friends and help them learn something new and upskill.